Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on PC browser. To get started, you'll need an Android emulator. These programs allow your computer to run mobile applications seamlessly. Popular choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player, both offering excellent performance and customizable controls. They essentially create a virtual Android device on your desktop, letting you enjoy your favorite mobile games with the precision of a keyboard. Once you've chosen an emulator, head to its official website to download the installer. The file size is usually around 500 megabytes, so ensure you have enough space. Simply run the downloaded file and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts. The installation process is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each step. Sometimes, a quick computer restart is recommended to finalize everything and ensure smooth. Next up are donkey kicks, excellent for targeting the upper glutes. Start on your hands and knees, then lift one bent leg, pushing your heel towards the ceiling. Keep your core engaged and avoid arching your back. Another great move is the clamshell. Lie on your side with bent knees, then lift your top knee while keeping your feet together. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions on each side for both exercises. To get the best experience, take some time to optimize your emulator settings. You can often adjust performance options to match your computer's capabilities. Crucially, customize your keyboard and mouse controls to suit your playstyle, giving you a competitive edge. A stable internet connection is vital for uninterrupted online matches. For even better visuals and smoother frame rates, consider using a computer with a dedicated graphics card. Enjoy your enhanced Brawl Stars experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.